I'm Mackenzie Rendell, and I had the privilege of being one of the 2023 student presidents. Leadership for me started in year 11 with my research project. I didn't originally plan for anything to come of it, but as my research project went on and I started to want to really make a change within the school, I was able to approach the SRC and propose the idea of supplying a wider range and more organic supply of period products for students, and make it more known that we supply them instead of it being sort of a secret that only the girls know and have to go knock on the door for them. So I approached SRC and they were super supportive and they approved, and they were super keen with the idea of it, and so I was able to work with Wendy Harrison, Tom Wool and Mr Hall, and work with that upper leadership, which in the end were able to supply organic and more period products for the women at the school. So working with Max and Kobe, I spent a bit of time with them. We made a video at some stage last year, and that really inspired me because they were so confident and they were so welcoming, and they just made me feel really confident within myself. Got messages from them after they found out I got the role, and they were just, yeah, that was really good. Myself and Marley really wanted to focus on building the legacy to what Max and Kobe had started it from. So we had massive shoes to fill, but we were able to focus a lot more on culture, just as they did, build more up and make it a little bit more different. Our first project this year was we wanted to make an award that acknowledges student effort rather than just academic achievement, which was called the Perseverance Award. So we worked really closely with our Year 12 leader and the whole leadership team, and we were able to create this award that created guidelines and certificates that would go with it, and just really acknowledging effort that goes into student work, because we know that not all students are A-grade students, even though that they do try their very best, and so I think we really hit the mark. So we know that everyone at school loves the Stuffer student events that we hold every term, and they were already existing before this year, but they were exclusively sports. So it was lots of volleyball, basketball, soccer. We did a lot of the sport-based one, and we really wanted to broaden that and make it more inclusive for everyone, because we know that not everybody enjoys this sportiness. So we did do a volleyball and a netball Starfirst student, but we also included a family feud, which was bringing in different audiences from the school as well as the junior school. So we did broaden it to a whole school activity rather than just our high school, which made it a lot more inclusive, and everyone loved it. So alongside a lot of the school events that we participated in and created, we were also able to have the privilege to speak at a few other events outside of school, one being the Anzac Day dawn service. We had the privilege to read a poem, and that was a really powerful moment for me. That was a massive moment of growth and confidence booster, and that was just really significant, and I was really glad that I was able to be a part of that. Alongside the dawn service, we also had the privilege to have dinner at Parliament House with David Spears alongside a few of our other leaders at school. This really gave me a window into what leadership could look like going further on, and it was just a really cool opportunity. Year 12 was super stressful. It had its fun moments, but it was really overwhelming at times, and I know that a lot of the other Year 12s are feeling the exact same way. And so I really wanted to combat that and create this vibe and remind students that this is a celebration, that finishing Year 12 is a celebration. It's something that's good, it's something that's exciting, and it's not something that we should be scared of. And so I really wanted to create a full week of activities for our Year 12s, because I know that there would be a lot of different feelings going around. And so the week included a dodgeball game with all of the Year 12s, and that was super fun. Everyone really, really enjoyed it. We had music going, we had just such a fun time. And then on the Tuesday we had just some snacks in the study room because a lot of students aren't actually at school on a Tuesday, just the way the timetables match up. So for the students that were there, we wanted to give them something. And then the Wednesday was meant to be our dress up day, but that didn't go according to plan. So Thursday was our dress up day. We chose the theme Aussie Icon because we just thought that that would be super fun. Everyone would really get into it, and that's exactly what happened. Everyone loved it. Everyone had such a fun time. Everyone went all in with their costumes. It was awesome. And then Friday was obviously our last day. We had our farewell breakfast, we got our photo, and then we had our final assembly, and then that was it. I'm Mackenzie Rendell, and I've had the absolute privilege to be one of the 2023 student presidents, and I can't wait to see what future leaders at Hallett Cove School do.